Yeah, actually, I'm gonna be jumping over the fence, and sometimes it's gonna be feeling like now. And sometimes, yeah, like literally sometimes. Alright, so oh my god, he's wiping. Now run out of the window here. Oh my god, that's if it hits the car, bro, it just ran over and like it didn't, like bro, they really didn't care. Oh my god, I hit a window. Oh my god. What if I like put this out? Ready to drive off? What if he jumps? He'll crash into a pole. Yeah. We'll probably add this guy. This side. Yeah, that was dirty. Oh my god. They suck. Anyway. Oh my god. What the fuck? Alright, he's free now. Let's see if this dude can make it. He didn't make it. I totally didn't make it. No time for this one. Okay, go. I'm doing this because I got a board. Just decided to do this. Oh my god, they're never doing it. I did this before though. Oh my god. Oh my god, bro, I hit the window. I'm terrible at driving. This dude's being right. This dude's good at he's cooked. Oh yes. Yes, this is one. Crash into them. Oh my god, he missed. I completely missed. So crash into that motorcycle. Oh my god. Sent him flying. Well, that sent his motorcycle flying. What the frick was that? Bro, what was even there? Is there caramel? Actually, caramel. Oh! Oh my god. It just devours it. Yeah, now I know what to talk about devouring. Actually, oh my god, that hit. That was he just got devoured! But this dude just got devoured and he's still standing. Bro, how is this dude still standing? The back of his car literally just got like devoured. Bro, you can't see the back. What the frick y'all doing? Like, bro, what are they doing? They're just sitting there honking their horns. Yeah, that he didn't survive that. That's the funny part. That like they ragdolled once they touched the floor. Did you get Corbett? Man, get out here. Yeah, I don't even care anymore. Oh, bro, why y'all just stay still? until I come over there. Bro, yeah, it's not red light, green light, but it's just the opposite. It's not red light, green light, opposite. Yeah. I ran out of motorcycles. Besides spawn more. I hate this. Alright, see you guys.